Hello, and welcome to a multi-part series that involves me and my friend remaking a game that we put together in 2 days for Robbuilders, what I thought was a game jam, but ended up being just a modeling competition for Wild West themed models, but we made a whole game instead and lost. I started playing Roblox over 12 years ago, and I first started on some old account. I lost the password, and then I think around 2 years later, I got a new account. And at the time, Roblox Studio also installed with Roblox, and as a kid, I was like, what is that? And I opened it up, and now, cut to 3 years ago, and I haven't improved at all in Roblox Studio, besides learning how to code. When trying to create a game, I would always get stuck in the loop of starting a game based off some idea I had, which was usually a shower thought, then grinding this game, trying to make it, and usually just burning out during that process, and then abandoning the project. The only projects I've ever actually finished, besides Breathing Simulator, were game jam games. One of those was Unrevolved, and the game ended up being really fun and addicting. My friend and I said we would eventually make a polished version someday, and now, after all these years, we're finally coming back to it. Now, what is Unrevolved? Well, the game itself is pretty simple. Everybody is given a gun and you are placed on a map with 1 life, and every single time you shoot somebody, you deal knockback to their character. If you hit a character consecutively, it deals more and more knockback. You want to shoot the other characters off the ledge or just kill them outright, which is possible. You deal a little bit of damage per shot as well. And the last player standing gets the victory, and it's just a little point that's added to their later stats. Since the original was made in a few days, it had a decent amount of problems. One of the biggest ones being that I couldn't get a proper small character camera controller to work. So instead, we scaled up the entire map and had all of the characters in-game be regular sized and all of the characters outside the map be humongous. This made everything look right, but destroyed the lighting, the shadows, and the performance of the game. And in the remake, we're fixing that. So we're gonna use normal sized characters outside of the map and shrunk down characters inside of the map. This will let us have better control over the lighting and the shadows and also the performance. And we're not stopping there. We're also going to add new game modes, new guns, cosmetics, better physics, and more sound effects for the game. We're doing it properly this time.